Hello, this is our brand new website. And I will give you a tour and tell you how to place an order. Here you can choose if you're looking for wedding, quinceañera, or all occasion invitations. If you place the mouse over it will display a menu, where you can filter the models by collection or color. We are going to select the last option to see all the wedding invitations. You can click on the ones you like, to see more pictures and a video of them. To know the price, you will have to select a quantity range. The prices depend on the quantity you will order. Also, if you want to see an actual invitation, you can order a sample. This sample will not be customized and will have a cost of $50, which is fully refundable when you place the invitation's order. With the sample you will receive a $50 certificate that you can apply at the checkout at the time of placing the final order. Once you choose the one you want to order, the first step is to select the quantity range. In this case, we are going to select 100 to 150 quantity range. Then you will have to type the quantity. In this example we are going to order 125 invitations. In the first section comes personalization. You have to write down all the event information. First, choose a language. You can choose between English, Spanish, or another language and write it down. Next, you can choose one of our wording examples. You can see them by pressing the link here. Then select the wording catalog of your type of event, and language, and read them all. Each of them has a number on the corner. Once you choose the one you like the most, take note of this number and go back to the product page to select the number of the wording example you like. Also, you can add a second language for an extra design fee. In that case, you'll have to type the quantity you will want in that language, and also choose a wording number for that language. Once you have selected the language and the wording, the next step is to write down all the information. The bride and groom's name, their parents' names if you want them to appear on the invitation, the event's date and the city where is going to happen, the ceremony and reception time and location. And check the boxes below if you want your invitation to say, formal attire, adult reception, and to have a money tree icon, to let your guests know that you prefer a monetary gift. In the second section, you can add an embellishment if you wish. Make sure you write down the quantity you'll want and choose a style. You can add mail envelopes if you plan to mail the invitations out. You can order only the quantity you're planning to mail. For example 50. You can add the printing service of the guest's address to each envelope, attach the file right away, or select Send it later. If you choose this, the due date to send the guest list will be 1 week after placing the order. Also, we can add the guest's name to each invitation, the return address to the mail envelopes. If you want your guests to RSVP, you can also add an RSVP card. Make sure to write the quantity, and the due date for your guests to RSVP. Add an RSVP envelope. If you want your guest to RSVP by mail, and the printing of the return address on them. You can add a reception card, so the reception information will be printed on a separate card. If you don't add this card, the reception information will appear on the main card. Make sure to type the quantity, and a note if you wish to add something else. You can also add details cards, for example, for a QR code to your website, or any other information you want to let your guests know. And you can add money tree envelopes, so your guest can insert the monetary gift. If you add them you will have to select if you like them to have each guest's name and, or, the in lieu of gifts wording. In the next section, you will be able to customize the colors of the invitation you like. If you like it just like the picture and you don't want to make any changes, you can skip this part. Otherwise, if you want to change it, just unselect the checkbox and the options will be displayed. Here you can add foil printing to the names and on the wording too. If you add it, you will be able to select the color. In this example, we will add foil printing to the names only, and select the rose gold foil. This model has a laser cut sleeve. Here, you can change its color, and select the one you want. In this example, we are going to select the original, because we want the same as the picture. Also, you can change the ribbon color. Here you have many options. For this example, I will leave the original. If you don't find the color you want, select the original, and you can make a special request at the end of the order. Then you can choose between white and ivory shimmer cardstock for the main card. All the other cards and envelopes will match it. In this example, the original invitation has a glittery silver paper backer. We will change it to a glittery rose gold color in the second layer section. Also, you can select the wording ink color. We will select rose gold to match it with the glittery rose gold second layer. And since we add foil printing for the names, on the names ink section I will select original. In the last section, you can add any comment, request, or specification for your invitations, like asking for a special ribbon or ink color. Finally, ensure you write all the quantities and specifications correctly, but don't worry, we will contact you to confirm everything twice. Also, you will receive a digital proof for your approval before printing. Once you are ready, press Add to Cart. Then go to and fill out all the billing and shipping details. Once you've filled in all the billing information, select Create an account and choose a username and password. If the shipping address is different than the billing address, check this box, and fill in the shipping information. In this box, leave any notes for us, like, "Please rush my order." Read the next statements carefully and check all the checkboxes. Once you place the order, you will receive a digital proof in the next 2 days. It is your responsibility to verify everything is correct before the approval. The processing time is 1 month, so you will receive your order within this period. And select How do you hear about us? Select if you want to make 2 payments, of 50% each. The second payment will be charged automatically before shipping, about 3 weeks after placing the order. The order will not be released before full payment. Or, you can choose to pay in full, and receive a 5% off, with the code Pay in Full. Then, select a payment method. You can choose between PayPal, or directly with your debit or credit card through Stripe. Agree to our policies, terms, and conditions. And place your order. You will receive a confirmation email, and we will send you an e-proof of your invitation, so you can make sure everything is correct, or make as many corrections as you wish. There are unlimited e-proofs included. Once you approve it, we will start the printing and assembly process. You will receive your order within a month, and once it's shipped, we will send you your order the tracking number. Thanks for letting us be part of your big day. You are choosing the most beautiful invitations in the world. Please, contact us if you have any questions.